Welcome back to New Look. Today I'm back with another natural homemade remedy using a green tea, which is a perfect agent to detoxify the skin. It may be bitter in taste but is very sweet to your skin. It is rich in antioxidants that help to fight against free radicals in the body. Also, it helps to delay the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. As green tea is full of beauty benefits, it is also used in making several types of cosmetics that are available in the market. There are many face packs and masks that can be made at home using green tea to enhance the beauty of the skin, which are suitable for normal, dry, oily and sensitive skin types. So now I'm going to show one remedy. So let's get started. In this natural remedy, there are 3 steps. The first one is cleansing and then toning, and third one is moisturizing your skin. For the first step, you require Multani matti. To cleanse your face, take a bowl and add a tablespoon of Multani matti in it. For getting paste, I am using rose water here. If you want, you can add a lemon juice or a tomato juice, or else normal water is also enough. Make it the paste. Multani matti is truly incredible owing to its skin healing, improving and nourishing properties. Whether you have a dry, dull or acne prone skin, this Multani matti face pack is sure skin savior. For cleansing, take some amount into the hand. With the tip of your fingers, cleanse your face. Apply this mask like this. Massage gently. On your face, move it in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. For hands and legs, down to up and up to down, like this. Let it pat dry for 10 minutes. After this, sprinkle some water, take a cotton and rub it off. Like this. Second step is toning. For this we require green tea and warm water. In this warm water, dip a bag of green tea. Let it sit for 10 minutes. This green tea is very healthiest. Also, it loaded with antioxidants, nutrients, which improves the power effects of the skin. Also, this green tea has a natural antioxidant that can make aging process slow, and this pack will help to regenerate your skin and give it a lively look. Also, it keeps your skin hydrated and also remove the skin patches and removes dullness from the face using your skin tone even. Also, it helps to cure the discoloration, suntans, acne, pimples and mark. It removes excess oiliness from your face also. Yes, it's already done with the 10 minutes. Now remove this tea bag. With the help of this cotton, dip into this green tea. Tone your face like this. dab like this. Don't do like this, just dab. Let it go for 5 minutes. Just dab, dab, dab. And the third step is moisturizing your skin. For this you require aloe vera gel. Take a spoon of aloe vera gel into the bowl. Apply this to your entire face or else body, wherever you use this pack. Apply well. Yes, that's it guys. This Multani tea and green tea gives a lot of wonders to your face. Do try it at your home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Please give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Newlook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.